So today we're going to learn how to install this Torque Central EcoHitch. This is a relatively simple install. You just need a couple tools. While not necessary, an impact wrench will be very useful. Whether you use an impact wrench or not, you will need a couple 14mm sockets, some extensions, and a screwdriver, some masking tape, and a Sharpie won't hurt. There are clips along the bumper that you'll have to take off. There's one right here in the rear wheel well, and screws right here in the tailgate, one on each side. And there are clips along the bottom. After taking these clips off, the bumper will unhook and come straight back off. There are 8 bolts that the hitch will go on. Once you get it lined up there, put the crash bar back on, and we can start marking up our bumper to cut off. This is by far the most complicated part of this, just tracing the design and getting it cut out. I used a Dremel tool with a couple cutting bits and a sanding bit. And put it on and take it back off and just mark as you're going to see just how much of that bumper you need to cut off. And there we have it. It's really just a simple install, and you can add a lot of versatility to your Subaru Outback or any other vehicle that EcoHitch makes a hitch for.